Welcome to AI Snippets. Please feel free to jump to a timestamp to listen to the snippet of your choice. Also like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss important AI news. The Pentagon is urgently pursuing the Replicator initiative, aiming to deploy thousands of autonomous drones and systems by 2026, in response to China's technological advancements. The initiative focuses on rapidly expanding AI attack and defense drones, with officials asserting human control, though experts foresee full autonomy in the near future. The combination of lethality and autonomy raises concerns about the potential lack of oversight, as the speed of AI development may surpass the military's ability to thoroughly test and validate these systems before deployment. The prospect of lethal autonomous technology in warfare prompts serious moral considerations, emphasizing the need for stringent oversight as AI continues to play an increasingly prominent role in military strategies. The initiative reflects the ongoing technological competition between nations, emphasizing the urgency for ethical and regulatory frameworks to govern the development and deployment of autonomous weapons.
That ability to make better and faster decisions than competitors and adversaries is central to what we are talking about with fielding of a lot of these new technologies. It's not technologies for the sake of technology. It's technologies that enable warfighters to make better and faster decisions.
AI is central to our innovation agenda, helping us to compute faster and share better and leverage other platforms. And that's fundamental to the fights of the future.
AITANA, the first Spanish model generated by artificial intelligence, by the agency The Clueless. Facing difficulties with real models, the agency decided to craft their own influencer, AITANA, who has gained over 121,000 Instagram followers. AITANA's virtual life is curated by the agency, featuring a carefully designed personality and weekly activities. She earns income through advertisements and partnerships with brands, even receiving private messages from celebrities who believe she's real. The success has led the agency to create another AI model named Maya. While the initiative has attracted brands seeking cost-effective and controllable representations, critics express concerns about promoting unrealistic beauty standards and highly sexualized images. The agency defends its approach, arguing that they are following existing industry aesthetics. NVIDIA founder Jensen Huang advocates for accelerating AI development despite safety concerns, asserting that it can lead to the creation of new technologies for risk understanding and implementing guardrails.
Incredible startups at OpenAI
Huang
and
contends
others
that advancing AI can result in improved safety measures over time, drawing parallels to how auto safety enhanced with technological advancements.
We're now beginning the second wave.
He highlights
and it's
OpenAI's
really
use of
triggered and kicked
reinforcement
off
learning
by
from
Copilot.
human feedback as an example of
or
developing
Windows
oversight
365 Copilot.
technology.
Basically, the
In
enterprise
Huang's view,
generation.
existing regulations are
The third
sufficient to
generation,
handle
the third
emerging
wave,
AI
is the wave
applications,
that I
suggesting
think
that
is going to
different
be
agencies can oversee
the largest wave of
implementations.
all, and the reason for that
While some
is
argue for a
because
slowdown
the
in
vast
AI
majority of the
development
world's
due to safety
industries run on it,
considerations,
which is
Huang's
heavy
perspective
industries.
aligns with
And this
pushing
is
for
where
progress,
NVIDIA's omniverse
leveraging
and
AI
generative
itself to
AI is going
enhance
to come
safety
together
measures.
to help
The
heavy
stance
industries
reflects the ongoing
digitalize
debate
and
regarding the
benefit
pace and
from
oversight of
generative
AI development,
So we're really,
with
quite
Huang
frankly,
emphasizing the potential
barely in
benefits of
the
acceleration.
middle of the first wave. These are brand new things that the world's never had the opportunity to enjoy. Big, huge TAM expansion. The first wave is the wave that we enjoyed, which is incredible startups at OpenAI and others who are part of the generative AI startups, cloud internet services. That's the first wave. We're now beginning the second wave, and is really triggered and kicked off by Copilot, Office or Windows 365 Copilot, basically the enterprise generation. The third generation, the third wave, is the wave that I think is going to be the largest wave of all. And the reason for that is because the vast majority of the world's industries run on it, which is heavy industries. And this is where NVIDIA's Omniverse and generative AI is going to come together to help heavy industries digitalize and benefit from generative AI. So we're really, quite frankly, barely in the middle of the first wave, starting the second wave. This is going to be...
I love that 3 waves.